everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to another trading view update. Not much has changed in the last 24 hours, at least not in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Prices trading pretty much exactly the same levels that they were this time yesterday. We tried to break a little higher, I think, last night, but failed to do so ultimately. So we'll look at Bitcoin first. The funding rates, I just wanted to show you how they've come down over the last few days following the crash at the beginning of the week. You can see that most exchanges are now back at the kind of 0.01 level, a couple of sporadic high levels on BitGet, but across the main exchanges, Binance, Bybit, OKX, Huobi, etc., everything's back at healthy levels, which hopefully will mean that we're now setting up a good footing for a move higher. If we look at the chart directly, let's move this. Oh, I can't move it. If we move, there we go. What we're looking at on the Bitcoin chart directly, the 200-day moving average is holding its support at the moment, as you can see, coming in nicely. Prices seem to be stuck between the 200-day moving average to the downside and the 0.5 fib level retracement on the upside. Over the weekend, trading volumes will be a touch lower. Any moves could be exaggerated. For me, as we've identified throughout the week, this level at 46,800 is that first really important resistance level that prices need to break through sustainably to allow for that next move up towards 50. If we don't break 46.8 anytime soon, prices carry on moving sideways. There's less kind of attacks onto this resistance line. I'm starting to then slowly look into a more kind of short-term bearish view, and we'll keep an eye on anything in and around 42,500, where that big wick bottomed out at the beginning of the week. On Ethereum, similar sort of price action taking place. You can see how the 0.5 level on the fib retracement lines acted as support, but now trading above 3,358. The kind of critical breakout to the upside here is in around 3,500. You can see how we've tested it a couple of times throughout the last day, but no real substantial move higher. That price is also in line with the shoulders of the excessive run back in May. So another big level of resistance here. Now on the funding rates for Ethereum, there's been much more clear reduction in the use of leverage. You can see how, as compared to Bitcoin, there was still some sporadic higher levels here and there. For Ethereum, it's all completely flat. And this is we've seen this similarly on ADA, Polkadot. And the only coin that's still somewhat leveraged is, of course, Solana, which has continued to pump. And there we're seeing funding rates of up to 30 bips, which just show you that at least the Solana price is still a little bit overheated and could face a correction over the next few days. Apart from that, that's really it from us. Have some money on the side in case the drop down does happen. On Ethereum, we're looking, as I said, at the 3,350 area to hold a support. Any sort of testing of support levels should provide good buying opportunities. And apart from that, have a good weekend.